What's going on, guys? Today we are doing Nerf Battle Royale. No, I'm not getting it from Fortnite. I swear to God, you say that in the comments, I will ban you from my channel. Okay, so Nerf Battle Royale, Quarantine Edition. We got Emily and we got Isaac.
Hi. I'm gonna win this.
Yeah, cool.
No, I am. Everyone knows.
By the way, sorry I haven't posted in so long. If you want to see more content more frequently, go follow my TikTok, Zachary1589. I post a lot more on there just because it's easier. Yeah. How it works is we got guns here. We got primaries, secondaries, and basically we're going to find someone to hide these. And then we each start on one floor, and then we get, battle. The rules are 1, no headshots. 2, 5 shots and then you're dead. And 3, we're doing 3 rounds. Best out of those 3 rounds wins. How do you feel to be on my YouTube channel today?
I don't know. I like to be on YouTube, but I want my own channel so I can do better videos. But Mom and Dad won't let me, so.
All right. What do you think your chances of winning are today?
100%.
All right. Okay, good. All right, how do you feel to be on my show today?
Pretty good, I guess.
What do you think your chances of winning are today?
Better than Emily's.
Oh! You got some competition here, Emily, behind the camera?
No.
Oh, okay. We got...
Not gonna happen, I'm sorry, so don't you dare listen to it.
All right.
I have more experience.
All right, good. So, how do you feel about Emily challenging you?
She has no chance.
Oh. All right. Good. Thank you, Isaac.
Okay, Zach, how do you feel about being on your own YouTube channel?
I feel amazing. Let's go.
What do you think your chances of winning are?
I mean, well, if I find the right guns and, yeah, I think I got a good chance. But
interesting, because he's not going to win me. Okay,
Are you challenging me? Are you challenging me?
My game plan is, since I'm really small, I feel like I can hide in small spaces where they might not see me, because they don't know I'm like the smallest thing ever. Well, at least smallest one of us. So I don't really care which guns I get. I kind of just want one of the rival guns, so like the blue gun or the really powerful white gun. But yeah, so just hiding in small spaces, because I'm the master at hide and seek, because that's what my dad always said. So yeah, I think I can do it. So yeah, that's my game plan. I think I have a pretty good chance of winning. So let's go. Okay. It's time to discuss my game plan. Well, I know Emily doesn't have much experience. She'll probably be easy. Zach has a little more experience. I still think I could probably beat him if I get the right guns. If I get like the Nemesis and the Kronos. Those are the best guns out there. If I get those guns, I can probably beat Zach. Now, what am I talking about? I'll beat Zach anyway. I think I can win this. I just have to be confident. There's no way I'm going to lose. Yeah. Go me. Yay. Like if you want Team Isaac to win.
Okay, so my game plan is to find the right guns and try and trick them somehow. I don't want them to hear me, but yeah. So, wish me luck, and let's win this thing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There's no guns in the sewing room. 0.
Alright, There's a gun down here. There's gotta be something down here. Yes, let's go. What's this pretend at? Oh baby. That was a lucky first throw. Oh crap. It's jammed!
Jammed, boy. It's jammed.
Take it. It wasn't jammed. It's gotta be secondary down here. Clear. Come on, dang it. God dang. Mom's good at hiding guns. I think you're dead. Oh, you're dead.
Well, you got hit like at least 3 times.
I got hit 3 times. I'm on 2 health. I have no idea where Emily is.
What, did she hit you?
No.
I'm out. That gun is literally instant win. That gun's literally instant win. I couldn't find any big ones.
Round 1. Let's go.
Go!
Squishmallows. Oh crap. I hear the revving of a Nerf gun. Oh no. No, I'm in danger. Dang it. No, please. I told you how to use it. Where did you?
No, I'm not finished. I'm not finished. I'm not finished.
Oh, hit him.
No.
Oh shoot, I got the nemesis! Oh, come on. No.
I can use this!
Push it forward more. Be nice. No. Where's the gun that's in here? Please be nice. Oh! Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Oh crap! No. Oh crap! He hit me twice. Oh, 3. Oh, 4. I'm on 1 health. No.
I just won. Instant win. Oh my god. Hi, I just won. Wait,
Come on, celebrate. Come on.
No, I'm not celebrating. This is literally an instant win.
Oh, cool.
Yay, I won. There.
Ready, set, go.
These look suspicious. Oh, baby. I'll give him some time, because, you know. Yeah. I wonder where Isaac is. Ah. Anything in here? See if I can find a secondary. It's not telling me. Oh crap! Ah, crap, you hit me. No! Crap.
Oh, my ammo, dang it. Well, I
I'll let you live for now. Yeah. Now you're here. You have a gun?
No, I don't.
Well, I'm screwed.
Oh my god. Ah, okay, I'm dead.
Kind of low on ammo. Gonna lie. Oh shoot.
I'm dead. Oh, wait, how many times have you been hit?
Like 3. Oh shoot, no, 4. I'm on 1 health.
4.
Woo!
Let's just say I've been hit. Oh no! Yes! No way! I won against the instant light gun! No way! I won against the instant light gun!
How do you feel? So, how do you feel about winning Adventures with Zach Nerf Battle Royale?
Yay!
How do you
Did
feel?
like because Team Isaac won. I think you must have liked because I won.
Yeah. I mean, it's unfortunate.
You know, the only reason I won though is because I had to reload and Zach let me go.
I'm too nice.
One of the boys found it, I don't know. Then that black table underneath the screen.
Emma didn't even have a gun.
Yeah, so
On the left.
it's unfortunate, but
I got lucky.
you did get lucky.
I got him.
Next time I won't let you get away so easily.
Yay.
Anyway,
Team Isaac wins.
alright, thank you guys so much for watching. It's tragic.
It was your fault.
And I guess it was. And thank you to my mom for hiding the guns for the Battle Royale. Otherwise, this whole thing would not have been fair. Thank you to our contestants, Emily, who is not currently here, sorry, and our champion, Isaac.
Yay!
Like and subscribe, do that stuff. Bye.